everybody! I'm here today to tell you and show you how to open plugged ears instantly. I will be going over the easiest method to open up your plugged ears. All right, without further ado, let's get right into the video. So basically, it is a simple two-step process that I use, okay? So essentially, whenever my ears get plugged, the first thing that I do is I try to yawn for about 10 seconds. And once you've done this a few times, once you've opened up or unplugged your ears a few times, you're probably gonna actually yawn. Or if you're tired, like me, if you have kids and you lack sleep, you know, you're probably gonna yawn anyways, all right? So you wanna open your mouth and really just try to force out a yawn for about 10 seconds. It's gonna look something like this, and I might actually yawn, okay? So check this out. Yeah, here we go. Okay. One of my ears was actually plugged. I purposely plugged it for the beginning of this video, and now it's unplugged. So you want to try and do that for about 10 seconds. And most of the time, to be honest with you, that will work. But then it might get plugged again rather quickly. So then what you want to do is you want to do the second step. So try to yawn again. Once it has been unplugged, or if it did not unplug with the first step, you want to move on to the second step, which is basically either swallow or fake swallow 10 times. So like if you have a small bottle of water, you can take small sips 10 times and swallow, or you can fake swallow 10 times like this. Like that. Just like that. Just swallow your saliva 10 times. And one thing is for certain, if you pretend to yawn for 10 seconds and you swallow or fake swallow 10 times, like almost every time your ears will become unplugged. I don't know, I'm not a scientist, I'm not a biologist or anything like that, but what I do know is that it actually opens up the eustachian tubes. I remember that from high school. The eustachian tubes are what essentially are connected to your ears and allow your ears to become plugged or unplugged. And when you do those things, it flexes the muscles. And the common ground with both of those movements is your jaw and your mouth and your throat. And those are all connected. If you don't know this already, your eyes, your ears, your nose, and your mouth are all connected. That's why when you're sick, they're all clogged up. And when you're good, they're all unclogged. Okay? So your eustachian tubes, essentially what those muscles are doing is that's sort of opening them up, and that will cause your ears to unplug. And once they're unplugged, what you can do is take a nice warm shower. That warm water and that steam is going to make sure that they stay unplugged. Now, whether your ears plug up just because that's, you know, how you were born and they just plug up often, or you're sick and that's why they're becoming plugged, or, you know, you're flying, you're on a plane and now you're watching this video. Hey, what's up everyone on the plane? If you can hear me, what's up? You know, and you're trying to unplug them, this will work. Okay, it is not a permanent solution. It will not fix the underlying problem of why your ears are becoming plugged, but it will unplug them and it will give you a sense of relief instantly. And then you can worry about fixing the underlying problem or dealing with it without pain or without any discomfort. But that's it. In this video, I've shown you and told you how to open plugged ears instantly using the easiest method and the most purposeful method that I know and that I use, which is to fake yawn for 10 seconds and then swallow or fake swallow 10 times. And this works like consistently. It's pretty crazy how it works, but it works. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.